Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Midday market update. Crude oil rises 2%. Strongbridge Biopharma shares plunge. Analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID B688BF 9/17 2024 46:54 p.m. Midway through trading Thursday, the Dow traded down 0.08% to 28,011.24, while the Nasdaq fell 1.12% to 10,926.95. The S&P also fell, dropping 0.59% to 3,365.54. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 6,631,560 cases with around 196,830 deaths. India confirmed a total of at least 5,118,250 confirmed cases and 83,190 deaths, while Brazil reported over 4,419,080 COVID-19 cases with 134,100 deaths. In total, there were at least 29,893,290 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 941,340 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Industrial shares climbed 0.8% on Thursday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP Herman Miller, Inc. NBSP MLHR 34.19%, up 30%, and NBSP 51JOB, Inc. NBSP Jobs 16.66%, up 16%. In trading on Thursday, real estate shares tumbled 1.4%. Top headline: initial jobless claims dropped to 860,000 in the latest week, versus a revised reading of 893,000 in the previous week. However, economists were expecting claims to decline to 850,000. Equities trading up. Just Energy Group Incorporated NBSP JE 30.51%. NBSP shares shot up 33% to $0.2856 as the company issued an update for closing of plan of arrangement. Shares of NBSP Enservco Corporation NBSP ENSV 67.36%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 70% to $0.2165 after the company signed a non-binding letter of intent with lender to amend its senior revolving credit facility. The company said bank debt would be reduced from approximately $33 million to approximately $17 million. Herman Miller, Inc. NBSP MLHR 34.19%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 30% to $33.70 after the company reported a strong rise in its earnings for its fiscal first quarter. The company's sales also exceeded analysts' estimates. The company also re-established a quarterly dividend. Equities trading down. The Marcus Corporation NBSP MCS 32.53%. NBSP shares tumbled 29% to $9.73 after the company reported the launch of $87 million convertible senior notes offering. Shares of NBSP Strongbridge Biopharma plc NBSP SBBP 20.54%. NBSP were down 19% to $2.26 after the company said that it intends to offer ordinary shares in an underwritten public offering. Dave Buster's Entertainment, Inc. NBSP Play 21.42%. NBSP was down, falling 18% to $15.61 on a report that noted the company may need to file for bankruptcy if it can't reach a deal with its lenders. Commodities. In commodity news, oil traded up 2.1% to $41, while gold traded down 0.8% to $1,954. Silver traded down 1% Thursday to $27.205, while copper rose 0.2% to $3.0665. Eurozone. European shares were lower today. The Eurozone STOXX 600 fell 0.32%, the Spanish IBEX index fell 0.18%, while Italy's FTSE MIB index dropped 0.86%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 declined 0.15%, French CAC 40 dropped 0.46% and London ASFTSE 100 fell 0.24%. The Eurozone Consumer Price Index dropped for the first time in more than 4 years, with consumer prices falling 0.2% year-over-year in August. Construction output in the Eurozone declined for the sixth consecutive month, falling 3.8% year-on-year in July. Economics initial jobless claims dropped to 860,000 in the latest week. However, economists were expecting claims to decline to 870,000. U.S. housing starts fell 5.1% at an annual rate of 1.42 million in August, while building permits slipped 0.9% at an annual rate of 1.47 million. The Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index dropped to 15 in September versus 17.2 in August. Domestic supplies of natural gas climbed 89 billion cubic feet for the week ended September 11, the U.S. Energy Information Administration reported. However, analysts expected a gain of 77 billion cubic feet. Data on money supply for the recent week will be released at 4:30 p.m. ET. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.